you doing, buddy? You like the puppies? I know you like puppies. You playing with the puppies? Yeah, he likes to rub the puppies. He likes to rub the puppies. They're not so sure about him. Oh, well, that one is. Go play with the puppies, honey. He loves to rub them. Yeah, come over here, little girl. See, I don't know what that is. It has no hair. Oh, gosh. Yeah, he's a sweet kitty. Hey, kitty, you like the puppies, honey? Look at the little puppies. Look at the little puppies like the kitty, too. They're just not sure what it is, so it doesn't look like an animal. Hey, cuties. Hey, cuties. Yeah. Oh, yeah, you want to play? You want to play with him? Oh, she says, oh, I don't know. Okay, time to get out of the puppy's pen. He keeps going in there with the puppies. He likes the puppies. He likes them. Oh, rub the puppy, sweetheart. You're a sweet kitty. Yeah, you like those puppies? Yeah.